Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have variety fun for August. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so my August variety fun just arrived and I'm so excited. This is my second box. They did send me the first one for review and then did contact me and asked if I would be a part of their affiliate influencer program, and they would send me a box every other month to show my viewers, and I'm so excited. This is an amazing snack box. It's not ones that you're getting from different countries. These are all snacks that we all know and love, and it's packed to the brim full of snacks. You're gonna see. Last time I did take like half the box to work and shared with the coworkers, and they loved them. If you have kids at home, this is really good. You can pack them in their snacks. You can have them for after school snacks, for you, yourself, for your husband, for your boyfriend, for whoever. If you make their lunch or they take lunch, or just for a snack in general. If you have parties, if you have, especially like if you do want to bring them to work or anything like that, this box has you covered for all of your snacking needs. They do have two subscription boxes. They have the fun box, which is this, and there's 40 classic snacks for $24.99 a month. You can also do once a month or twice a month, I do believe, on their plans. They also have a fit box, which is 30 healthy snacks for $39.99. Now, Variety Fun subscription service delivers an assortment of delicious snacks to your home and office. Every month, our team curates a box of a variety of tasty cookies, chips, candy, crackers, pretzels, popcorn, and nuts from all of your favorite brands. With classic and healthy options, there is something for everyone. The snack subscription service is available in a bi-weekly or monthly delivery, and they have over 500 varieties of snacks, including both classic and healthy options. Snack boxes are great for packing lunches, game nights, road trips, parties, or to keep in your pantry for everyday snacking. And they also donate thousands of snacks every month to families in need, which is amazing. So you can follow my link down below, and you can use the code FUN20 to redeem 20% off your first order. So again, the link will be down below. Click on the link, use FUN20 and get 20% off your order. So let's go ahead and dive in here and see. Again, I'm so excited, and I'm even more honored that they put me on their list, so I get to have this every other month. This is awesome. So again, you can order this once a month, or you can order this twice a month if you do have a lot of kids, or if you babysit, if you have a daycare, you have anything. Like, this is an amazing box for anybody who loves snacks, which I don't know anybody who doesn't. Snacks. So look, when I tell you it's full, and I don't know how they get it in here because I can never get it back in and close the box afterwards. So there's Variety Fun. It says, "Hi Tracy, with 93 plus weather." Yeah, it's like 100 here. It looks like even your adorable dachshund agrees that the dog days of summer are brutal. Yes, we had our AC that was broken at work, and I took a picture and posted on my Instagram of her laying literally in front of the fan like she was so hot. Oh my gosh. "We hope you and Vienna have found a way to cool off. We also hope you enjoy your first snack box as a Variety Fun partner." Yay! Snack on, Variety Fun team. Thank you so much. And that is so amazing that they not only recognized my dachshund, but even called her Vienna by her name. That is amazing. You guys rock. I'm so thankful that they brought me on board, and I can bring these to you guys. And now look, oh, okay. So let's go through and see what all we have in here. Right on top, we have, this is the chocolate peanut butter, and these are so good. So we have that. I love these too. We have these are like a little spicy heat with a little lemon zest. These are so good. Speaking of spicy heat, my next favorite, I think they have almost everything that is like my favorite, except a few things that I've never heard of, and I get to try new things. So here are the flaming hot fries, which are so good. Pop chips, ridges, bold and crunchy, tangy barbecue. I've never tried these, so this is on my list of to try. I get to try that. Oh, my favorite Doritos, Cool Ranch. Yes, these are so good. The white cheddar popcorn. Ooh, here's one that I've never tried. Miss Vicky's jalapeno flavored. I can't wait to try those. I love anything hot, spicy. I love that. It's like, do we have more hot sauce? Do we have more of this? Jackpot sea salt corn. Ooh, so sea salted popcorn. Goldfish flavored extra cheddar. Goldfish. Sun chips. Garden salsa. Ooh, I've never tried those. So there's a, I'm gonna try. Next we have is Cheez-Its white cheddar. They're pulling on my strings with my cheese as well. Here's Cheetos Flaming Hot, which when I was in high school, now I'm going back a long time ago. When I was in high school, no, I was in junior high, I would go to the liquor store, I would buy a 99-cent, the large bag of Flaming Hot Cheetos, and that's what I would snack on throughout the day. And I remember one time my science teacher took my bag of Cheetos from me and I felt like the world ended. Like, I'm like, you're not taking my hot Cheetos. I was like, you better back up. No one interferes with my hot Cheetos. Here's Cracker Jacks, which this is something you're not really seeing these days anymore. And they're so good and I don't know why. So I'm so glad that they're still keeping them around for us. All right, so now you have the original Ruffles and Lay's Barbecue. You guys, I'm only like halfway through this box right now. Here's mini pretzels. Ooh, those are always good. Abby's Cookies. Chocolate chip, wholesome, delicious. I've never tried these. Abby's Cookies. Ooh. Hopefully Abadabs gets these in her box. And then she have her own cookies. So that's something new for me to try. Ooh, the Knott's Berry Farm Raspberry Shortbread. These are so good. Okay, so now we have Savory Chex Mix Snack Mix. What does it say on the side? Oh, traditional snack mix. These are so good. These are Rice Krispie Treat Snack Crackle. No, Snack Crackle Poppers. This is chocolate, but they don't feel like they're melted. They've been in my house now anyways, so those are so good. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad these are in there. Now we have, ooh, sweet and salty mix. This looks like there's raisins, peanuts, M&Ms. There's all that good stuff, 270 calories for the entire thing. There's that. We have Reese's Bits with cheese. Cheese, chocolate, and peanut butter are my favorite when it comes to, or in like chips and all that stuff too, but you know. Remy's Graham Cinnamon, delicious cinnamon graham crackers, it looks like. Those look good. And this is 110 calories. I like how they're all individual, especially if you are trying to cut down on calories and stuff. You can grab one and then know if you want to eat the whole thing or, or nothing, or half of it. So next we have is the chocolate brownie. I don't think I've ever tried chocolate brownie by the Grandma's Cookies, but I have tried, which is my favorite, peanut butter. But I've never tried chocolate brownie. Have you guys? Have you seen that one before? Is that new? Because I have not. So there's that. There's the peanut butter. Oh my goodness. Then we have regular chocolate chip and oatmeal raisin. See, when I tell you these are all snacks that you know and love, these are all snacks that we know and love. Ooh, Pringles, cheddar cheese Pringles. Oh my goodness. I'm running out of room on my table. Here's a thing of Fig Newtons. And again, they're keeping around stuff that are good that you don't really see anymore, even Fig Newtons. Oh, here's a fruit roll-up sour. Fruit roll-up. I've never tried the sour. So there's that. We're almost getting down to the end, you guys. Chocolate peanut butter chew graham cracker. And here's a dark chocolate chunk. Okay, now we have, oh, I love these too. The real peanut butter cookies, and then here's grilled cheese. There's no room on my table. Here is the, is that upside down? No. Ritz crackers and cheese combo. Chips Ahoy Originals. Ooh, something I've never seen before. Lucky Charms soft baked treats, marshmallow blonde. Have you seen this? I haven't. That looks so good. Okay, and then we have is a fig bar peach apricot from Nature's Bakery. I've never heard of that one. So what, there's only like 3 or 4 of brands that I have never heard of, but they sound and look amazing. Everything else are all things that I know. These are so good. Dark chocolate. Oh my gosh, these are so good. Now, the last thing in here is 2 things of Welch's fruit snacks. So again, this box is filled to the brim. These are snacks on snacks on snacks. If you have, like I said, kids or family or get-togethers, game nights, you have school functions, you have anything, sporting events, or you're gonna go to the movies and you sneak them in your purse or whatever, just to have in the house when you want a little something to snack on, this box has you covered. They have the regular box like this, and they also have a healthier version as well. So definitely check them out. Their link will be down below. You guys, let me know. This is, to me, another amazing box of snacks on snacks on snacks. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and seeing all of the wonderful goodie snacks that we do get in this box, especially now school time is coming up. This would be an amazing way to start your snacks for that as well, and just all around, just in general. Even if you have a business and you want to have something for your office personnel or your employees to have, just to have a snack when they come in, this is good to just have, because what I did with the other one is I cut the top off and I just piled the stuff in here and let it sit on the counter in the kitchen, and the guys could come in and grab what they wanted. So thank you again, Variety Fun, for making me one of the partners, and I can't wait to see what we get in another 2 months. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and then you can see the different videos that I load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Snacks on snacks on snacks. Bye.